Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Race. In this video, we are going to create Flying Cat in Scratch. So take your web browser and search Scratch. Yeah, just click on. You can see https scratch.mit.edu. Just click on it. So this is the home page of Scratch. You can see start creating one button. Just click on it. Yeah, so this is our editing screen. So just you can see backdrop icon. Just click on it. Choose the background. I have choose sky. Just delete that cat. Go to sprite and search cloud. I'm going to select this cloud, drag it up. Yeah, there. Then go to sprite again. Then search flying cat. You can see one flying cat sprite. Just drag it. Yes, perfect. And go to sprite again. Scroll down. You can see buildings. Just drag it to the end. Yeah, it's perfect. Yes. Then click on the cat. Then go to events. Drag and drop when flag clicks. Go to looks. Drag and drop say hello for 2 seconds. Just erase hello and type time to fly. Yeah, then click on that flag. Yeah, the cat is telling time to fly. Then go to clouds. Then go to events, drag and drop when flag clicks. Then go to controls, drag and drop, wait 1 second, change it to 2 seconds, and go to motions. You can see go to XY, just drag it, and then go to controls. You can see forever, drag it. Then go to motions. You can see change X by 10. Just change it to -5. Yes. Then go to events. Drag and drop if then, and go to operators. Drag and drop that code. Then go to motions. You can see X position, drag it to the blank space. Yeah, then go to motions and drag and drop the go to X, Y, and just change that 50 to -40. Yeah, don't want minus. Then go to looks, drag and drop next costume. Yeah, then click on that flag. Oh, what happened? We want to change that X and Y. Just change the 121 to -129. 1. No, that's, and then we want to add minus to 240, then remove the minus from 121. Yeah, that's perfectly working. Yes. Then drag the code to building and just go to the building, and we want to change the XY. You can see the XY of the building here at the properties. Just change it. Yeah, change the Y to -1 and change the X to 240 and change the Y -1. Yes, then click on that flag. Yeah, our cat is flying. It's working perfectly. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you want more interesting videos, subscribe our channel.